few months ago, Aretha was very afraid for me when it announced that I had Parkinson's. The older you get, these diseases, they come out of nowhere, it seems. But let me say to you today, who are the living, this is not for Aretha, this is for us. If you leave here today and don't register to vote, you dishonored Aretha. If you've heard all this singing and don't feel something wrong with you.
My prayer for you is that God will allow you to grieve in waves, not that it would come crashing on you all at once like a tsunami, but in waves, gently touching your soul. That's the only thing that got me through my mother's death. It would come in waves so that I could focus and move on and get through it. And my prayer for you is that it comes in waves, because it's gonna come. You can't work it away. I tried that. You can't drink it away. I tried that. You gotta let it come the way it comes. And my prayer is that it comes in gentle waves to your soul. So that's what I've been praying for you. My mother died in 2009, and it was her who introduced me to the voice of Aretha Franklin. We would be driving up to the country, and she would have the music blasting. And I could tell what my father had done by the music she was playing. If she was playing Respect or Think, I knew he had done something wrong. But if she was playing Dr. Feelgood, he might have done something right.
Aretha was the sum total of her life's experience. And she shared that with us through the soul songs she sung. She spoke to us through her soul and everything she experienced. And that's why, no matter what she was singing, she moved every single person.
We were committed to show all the budding musicians how long a career can last. For Aretha was indeed a true genius of American music. Every time I was with her, whether professionally or personally, I was conscious that she was and would always be a significant part of history. And over the course of my life, I've been blessed with the opportunity to spend time with presidents of countries, president of successful trend-setting companies. I've spent time with many successful artists, writers, and movie makers. Most of these individuals have affected the world in some way, but Aretha is in her own very special category. Aretha's voice will be heard. Aretha's voice will be impacting. Aretha's voice will be influencing others literally for centuries to come.